Suppose you are Sabah, a student of class Choi. Recently, you have visited Parpur, a historical place at Naugao. Now, write a letter to your friend, Mishu in Chattogram telling him about your recent visit to Parpur. মনে করো, তুমি সাবা, ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর একজন ছাত্রী। সম্প্রতি তুমি একটি ঐতিহাসিক স্থান, নওগাঁর পাহাড়পুর ঘুরে এসেছ। এখন, তোমার বন্ধু চট্টগ্রামে বসবাসরত মিশুকে তোমার পাহাড়পুরে ভ্রমণের বর্ণনা দিয়ে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস 14 হসপিটাল রোড, বারিশাল, 15 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2025। My dear Mishu, how you? I hope you are passing happy days. Now, I am going to tell you about the details of my recent visit to Parpur, Naugao. It's a renowned historical place where I saw the relics of the buildings of ancient kings, the weapons and also the hills. The surroundings attracted me very much. To speak the truth, I had a very exciting time there, which is really a memorable experience. If you were with me, it would be more enjoyable. What's about Tapu? With best regards to your parents and love to Tapu. Yours ever, Sabah. Tara Chinho draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and receiver.